Hey guys, this is Josh from the Airdrop Gold YouTube channel, and in this tutorial I want to show you an awesome Telegram trading bot that you can use for your trades. Also, at the end of the video, I'll introduce another alternative to the MevX trading bot. To start, open the link in the description and click the Connect to Telegram button. It will redirect you to the official MevX Telegram bot where you can sign in. In the bot, start it and click the Login button. After logging in, you'll see your trading wallet. Slide the lock icon to reveal your private key, and please store it somewhere safe. Then, click Next, Confirm, and on the new page, it will give you a wallet where you can send and receive SOL. Click Continue, and now, as you can see, we are on the main page of this awesome trading bot. In the first section, you can see Trending Pools, the middle section is New Pools, and the last section is Top Gainers across all blockchain networks. The system provides awesome features such as filtering only pump.fund tokens, sorting by hour, and when you click on Filter, you can adjust custom filters for yourself. Click on any token to view its page. On the new page, in the left sidebar, you can see the market cap, liquidity, price, volume, and other token data. In the right sidebar, you can adjust the trading presets and settings to your preference. Click the Settings button right here, and in this pop-up, you can adjust your custom settings for several blockchains, such as Solana. The settings have two sections. The top one is the trade section. Now, set the slippage to 2 or 5%. This will save a huge amount of fees. Next, set the tip amount to 0.01 for a higher success rate in trades, and set the priority fee to high. Finally, disable the anti-mev in the sniper section. Set the buy amount to 0.1 or 0.5, depending on your risk management strategy, and click Save. Keep the default settings for other options, or adjust them as needed for the selling options. All settings are also detailed in the interface. Click on Save Settings, and now we have adjusted our settings. If you don't like trading on this platform, we suggest using another alternative that is great and works well for anyone who likes to trade meme coins. Bullx Neo is the ultimate meme coin trading tool with lots of features, and the link is in the description. Don't forget to ask anything you want in the comments, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.